In this video, I'll show you how to download Counter-Strike 2 on your computer or laptop. Counter-Strike 2 is a team-based shooting game where players compete in matches against other players. Let's get started. To be able to download Counter-Strike 2, you need to have the Steam app on your computer. And here what you're going to do is you're going to open any web browser of your choice and search Steam. And here click Install Steam. Then click Install. After it's downloaded, open Downloads folder and click Steam Setup. Click Next. Click Next again, then click Install. Once Steam is installed, open the app and search Counter-Strike 2. Scroll down, click Play Game. Click Install. Wait for it until it's installed. This is all you need to do to download Counter-Strike 2 on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bam.